Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle Antallan and I am your franchise consultant for today. So guys, in this video, I have exciting news. Fresh na fresh, mainit na init pa, no? Kahapon lang po in-announce formally. Ayan. So, una po nag-announce yung CEO natin 2 days ago, pero naka-blur yung picture. At kahapon, nalaman na natin kung ano yung big news. So guys, are you ready? Okay, kasi ako personally, I am excited and I'm very proud. Buti na lang, Toktok online franchisee ako. So, without further ado, no guys. So, as you all know, okay, si Toktok po ay kapartner na si SM. Tama? Ayan. Kung hindi niyo pa po napapanood yung video ko kung paano po yung SM Pabilis service, don't worry. Watch this video. Ayan po. Okay? I will put in the description below. Okay? Yung link ng video na yun para makita nyo paano po ba nag-work yung SM Pabili. Alright. Ngayon guys, no, papakita ko sa inyo to. Without further ado, again, okay, so open lang po natin yung Toktok App. Ayan. So open natin yung Toktok App and you will see there, guys, no? So kung wala pa po kayong Toktok App, guys, please, download the Toktok App right now. It's free. Okay? I-testing nyo ikaw mismo, ikaw mismo, i-download mo, mag-register ka para makita mo at masundan mo tong video na to. Okay? So, eto na. Ako mismo, sorry, I'm just very excited, guys. But, hey, another good news to all of the online franchises here, to all of the Toktok franchises. This is something that you should be proud of. Okay? So, guys, if you're gonna open your Toktok app and you will click Pabili, ayan, makikita niyo po ngayon, hindi na lang si SM, kung hindi Robinson's Malls. Okay, you heard me right. Hindi lang po si SM, kundi pati si Robinson's Malls. One of the biggest, mall chains also in the Philippines. Kapartner na si Toktok. Okay, so yung sa mga negative dyan, yung sa mga bashers, sa mga hindi naniniwala about kay Toktok, ewan ko na lang, kung hindi pa itong mag-prove na legit talaga sa inyo si Toktok. Okay, so minsan marami nagtatanong sa akin, Mitch, to ba talaga yan? Ayaw niyo maniwala, download the Toktok app and try it for yourself. Tama, to see is to believe tayo. So, mas maganda, i-try mong bumili. Ngayon, i-click natin yung Robinson's Malls. Ayan. Ako to, personal favorite ko to, Robinson's Galleria. Okay? Kasi dati, taga-Ortigas ako, no? So, Robinson's Galleria, Las Piñas, Manila, Malabon, Forum, Cainta, Magnolia, Novaliches, Otis, pati Dasmariñas, General Trias, na Robinson sa Cavite, no? Antipolo and Imus, kapartner na. So, good news, if you are near in this, if you are living near any of these Robinson's Malls, bakit ka palalabas ng bahay? Tama? Ako mismo, to sofa ko. Kahit nandiyan ka lang sa couch mo, no, ka ng Netflix K-drama, bakit mo pa kailangan lumabas? Ipatoktok mo na lang yung shopping mo sa Robinsons. Tama? Ngayon, i-click natin, sample na, explore natin. Actually, guys, no, this is also my first time to really explore it. So, join me in exploring this new feature of Toktok. Okay, so guys, no, click yung Robinsons Galleria. Click natin yung service type. Ayan. So, pwede ka pati damit. No, pati damit, pwede kang pabili. Apparel, appliances. No, for example, nasira bigla yung rice cooker mo, kailangan mo ng rice cooker, ayan na. Pati appliances, pwede ka magpabili. Department store, ayan, food, gadgets, medicine, pati gamot, pwede ka magpili or others, no? So guys, nakaka-excite. So, i-click natin isa-isa. So, click natin kunwari apparel. Lalabas po dyan, ayan, di ba? Adidas, Alberto, Aldo, Bench Body, di ba? Celine, etc. I-click naman yung appliances. Anong lalabas sa mga brands? O syempre yung Abenson. Ako personally, I like Abenson. No? Robinson's Appliances, pwede ka rin magpabili. Okay? So, ayan. Department store. Ayan. So, handyman. Diba? Robinson's Department Store, Robinson's Supermarket. So, kung hindi ka maka-SM, pwede ka rito sa Robinson's sa ngayon mag-shopping. No? Ngayon, department store. Ayan, food. Tingnan natin sa food na lalabas. Ayan. Adobo Connection, Ajisen Ramen, Banapod, Bagnet Boy, Auntie Anne's, Beef Paris, sarap. Big Chill, Binalo, Bread Talk. Diba? So, pwede kayo umorder din dyan. Ayan. So, sorry. Doon muna tayo sa gadgets. Gadgets, ayan. Store, ARX, Okay, Bavin. I like Beyond the Box kasi maka-Apple user ako. So, dyan ako bumibili ng mga items ko, no? Okay? Ano ba? Gadgets? Medicine. Ayan, check natin yung medicine. GNC, LNK Healthy Edge, Mercury Drug, South Star Drug, or Watson's pwede ka magpabili. Ayan, so sample lang natin, no, kunwari, Watson's. Okay, medicine. Click natin, Watson's. Items to purchase. So guys, in your screen, you will see kung paano mag-order. Okay, so let's say, I want to buy vitamin C, kunwari. Vitamin C. Ilalagay ko lang ilang pieces? 2 packs. 2 packs. Okay? Ngayon, pwede ka mag-add ng iba pang items. Kung marami kang gustong pabili, just add to your heart's content. Okay? Ngayon, after nito guys, maglagay ka ng estimated price of items. But take note, it should be below 2,000 pesos, okay? Kasi maximum lang po yun. So, kailangan po muna si rider, meron siyang extra budget, di ba? At least minimum of 2,000 pesos para mabili po niya yung item na kailangan mo, okay? So, syempre, huwag masyado mag-order ba kung walang budget si rider. So, for example, ilagay lang natin, kunwari, 350. Yan. Notes to rider, pwede mong ilagay kung fragile, kung rush, no? So, ayan, ilagay natin. Ayan. Wala tayong notes, okay? Express delivery. No, ano ibig sabihin ng express delivery? If you're in a rush, no? For example, kailangan mo na yung gamot, no? Papabili ka sa pharmacy, no? So, ngayon, pwede nyo pong i-click yung express delivery para agad-agad kayo po ang priority ni Toktok Rider Deliveran. Ayan. So, click natin confirm. Okay. Ayan. So, pag-click nyo po yung confirm, no guys, i-accept na po yan ni rider. So, tanggalin lang natin sa akin. Kasi this is just for example only. So, that's it. Ganun lang yun guys. Sobrang very quick announcement. I am very excited kasi isipin mo SM. Tapos ngayon, Robinsons. Baka sunod, Ayala Malls na din. Diba? So guys, what are you waiting for? Nakikita nyo na mismo yung changes, yung progress ni Toktok. We're going right now? 7 months. Diba? In 7 months, ang dami ng updates. Rider pabili service, itong SM, itong Robinsons Malls, and Toktok Mall. So kung hindi pa po kayo online franchising and you in-explain ko sa inyo, guys, ang laking opportunity nito. Kung sa area ninyo walang SM, may Robinsons, marami kang kakilala, no? Marami kakilala mahilig mag-shopping sa Robinsons kaysa SM. Bakit hindi ka kumita ng 3% every time o-order yung kaibigan mo? Okay? Yung po ang isang benefit, no? So, kapag kayo po ay online franchisee, every time may o-order, no? Every time po may order, gagamitin yung Toktok app nila at dahil andoon ang referral ID mo doon sa app or they use your delivery link, every time mag-order sila, mayroon ka pong 3%. So kahit nasa abroad ka, probinsya, nasa work ka, tulog ka, whatever, tuloy-tuloy po ang 3% ninyo every time o-order kaibigan, kakilala, classmate, kapitbahay mo. Okay? So guys, if you're not yet an online franchisee, you're interested na habulin yung promo, yes, available pa yung promo, but limited offer to. Currently, right now, when I made this video, available pa yung promo. So, disclaimer lang, message me after this video kung available pa yung promo. Okay? So, anyway, guys, ito po yung contact number ko, Viber or WhatsApp. You could contact me. Ayan. Kontakin niyo po ako or my Facebook page. Okay? And my name is Michelle Antallan. You could search me in Facebook. Pwede niyo po akong i-message kung interesado po kayo mag-franchise. You are very welcome to join my team. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, show some love, and I hope na excited po kayo sa maiksing good news na to kasi ako mismo excited. Ready ka naman mag-shopping kay Robinsons, di ba? So guys, thank you so much and God bless. Have a good day. Bye!